Hey guys, happy Thursday. I think I died and went to heaven. I came to Reese, Michigan, and we've got a destination Milwaukee store in like an Ace Hardware store. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. They literally have every single thing here. It's insane. Look at the wall-to-wall Milwaukee stuff. So I came to pick up, and the prices are really good. They've got these specials, man, 40 off, 50 off, 100 off. It's unbelievable actually, but yeah, it's amazing. You know what else is really cool? I picked up this over by the vacuum. They've got stuff that I didn't even know Milwaukee had. Like I didn't even realize they've got these. Maybe you guys have seen them, but you know, like stuff to put in your wall or van or something. Looks like a paper towel or tape holder. Drill holders, you know, battery holders. I've seen aftermarket ones of these, of course, but, and then check out this. This is pretty sweet. So here's a whole wall of attachments for vacuums and all that, right? HEPA bags and all kind of stuff. And I'm gonna grab this. This hooks up to your vacuum, and the suction from the vacuum keeps it kind of glued to the wall. And you can see by the picture, you just put it under where you drill, and then all your stuff goes right in there. It's self-sticking. That's pretty sweet. That could be handy. So anyways, and the guy was telling me they're super cool here. They did something with these batteries and these lights. They somehow took these batteries, took them apart and hooked them up direct to electrical. So all their lighting in here is powered by battery operated, like rovers and stuff like that, which is pretty sweet. So yeah. Wow. All right, guys. Happy Thursday.